Hi, I'm Donna, and welcome back to my series of line dance steps. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you a jazz box and a turning jazz box. Now, there's also a step called a box step. That's different. This is a jazz box. I'll teach a box step in our next lesson. But for now, jazz box. I'll show it to you first, and then I'll turn around so you can follow along. So this is what a jazz box looks like. Now let's break it down. So we're going to start with our right foot and we're going to cross over for the top of our box, step back on our left, out on our right, together. So with your right foot, cross over, step back, step out, and together. Cross right, step back, step out, and together. Let's pick it up just a little bit. Over, back, out, together. Over, back, out, together. Now you can also do a turn with this. This time you step over, but instead of back, we're going to step to the diagonal and then out with a turn and together. Okay? So we're going to step over with our right to the corner, out, and together. I'm going to continue it this way so you can see. Cross over to the corner, step out, and together. Cross over to the corner, out, and together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.